This Remax distinctive property video is presented by mkane. Welcome to 1140 Dexter Street in the vibrant Washington Village. This captivating 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom townhouse offers a generous 1,440 square feet of modern living space with an open floor plan designed for comfort and style. Perfect for those who love city life, this property is just a short walk from the excitement of Ravens and Orioles games. Commuters will revel in the easy access to 95 and 295, making travel a breeze. Ready to fall in love with your new home? Contact us to schedule your visit to this townhouse treasure that's waiting just for you. For more information, review the details below or contact mkane at 301-966-0035.